Hello, and welcome back to the GWSDAT tutorial series. Today we're going to be covering installation and setup for the GWSDAT Excel plugin, the details of which can be found in the GWSDAT manual and on the websites of both the American Petroleum Institute and the CLARE, the Contaminated Land Applications in Real Environments, the links to which can be found in the video description. This method of deployment covers installing the Excel plugin locally on your computer. This will mean that all datasets are retained and analyzed locally, with no information sent over the internet. Once you've installed R, we need to download GWSDAT from the GWSDAT website, or a link in the description, into a trusted folder on your device. Once you've downloaded the zip file, open the folder's location, likely your downloads folder, then click Extract All, and select another folder. We'll select the download folder again, and extract all the files. And now we can see that that's finished installing, and in our downloads folder, there is the file with the same name, just without the .zip file type. We can now open Excel and install the plugin. Create a blank workbook to work out of. We'll go to File, Options, Add-ins, and Go, and then Browse. And in that same folder, Downloads for example, we're going to open that file that we had before, that we unzipped, R Portable Win 3 for me. Open that file, and then open R Portable Win. Then open Library. Scroll down until you find GWSDAT and open that file. And then open ext data. Here you should see GWSDAT, the version that you've installed, and a .xlam file type. So click that and press OK. Allow that from Microsoft, and then it should be here selected. If it's not, do select it, and then press OK. If it says that this doesn't work, what we need to do now is make sure the folder is trusted. So we're going to click File, Options, Trust Center, and Trust Center Settings. Then we're going to go to Trusted Locations and add a new location and browse locations. Going into our Downloads folder or wherever we installed that file, we can select the most outward one, so just R Portable Win 3 and OK. And then this will trust that folder. We also want to trust all of the folders within that folder. So we'll check this to say that subfolders of this location are also trusted. Press OK, OK, and OK. And that should default. If we go back here, Add-ins, go, select GWSDAT and press OK. Now GWSDAT appears here. We can open it and, for example, open one of the examples, the basic example of this. If this very much still did not work, we can go back to that folder, R Portable Win, go into the bin file, x64 file, and then look for rterm.exe, which for me is at the bottom. We can open the properties of that file, and it needs to be unblocked. Therefore, we need to unblock it and apply that. Hopefully, that works for you. And as you can see, we can use this, however. For more information, please look for other videos. Thanks so much for watching the video. If you have any other issues, click on the Excel Campus link in the video description. Hopefully that all worked, and you're on the home page and you can use GWSDAT as you please. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and there's a feedback form in the description for any feedback.